this is Sports Key 98 Rocks. And well, today I went to the doctor's. I got a shot right there. And well, my prize was this alligator right here. And this little purse with some candy in it. I also got a prize from my mom. It was this monkey I chose. I have no idea what I want to name him or her, so you can help me out with that. Yeah. And I'm also going to the cabin this weekend. Yeah, I'm very excited. I might not be on that much. So yeah, I'm very excited. So, thank you for watching. Bye.